Hello students, good morning. Here I am going to teach you second chapter of geography, that is the physical feature of India. Okay. So before beginning I would like to discuss some you know important terms with you so that you can easily understand this chapter. Okay. So let's one by one discuss these terms. Okay. So first term is tectonic. Okay. So tectonic means the forces originating within the earth and responsible for bringing widespread changes on the earth. Okay. Clear? Understood? Next is Gondwana. Gondwana is the oldest landmass, comprises of, here I have made a short form for you, that is AIA SA square. A stand for Australia, I stand for India, and A stand for Antarctica, and SA means South Africa and South America. Okay. So this is a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 countries. Earlier, there was a group of 5 countries as well as continent. Okay, they were joined together. Okay, and comprise the landmass which is known as Gondwana. Okay. Next is geosalines. Geosalines. Okay, is a term in geology which refers to the subsiding. So subsiding is a means less severe. Okay, linear trough. Linear trough means structural depression. Structural depression. Okay. Okay. So this is known as geosaline. Okay. Next is Tithe. Tithe was a shallow sea then used to flow between the Gondwana land and Angara land millions of years ago. Okay, clear? So these are the important terms for you. Let's move on next subtopic. Okay, that is our first subtopic is the physical features of India. Let me show you its picture through map. Okay, for better understanding. Here I have made one map for you. Okay, so in this map I depicted all the physical features of India. Okay, let me show you one by one. Clear? So look at here on the top there are Himalayas. Okay, clear? At number 2 at the bottom, you know very well about these states. These are Indian states. So all the physical features are there in each state of India. There are variety of physical feature. Clear? First is Himalayas. Okay. Next is plains. Number 3rd is desert. Number 4 is plateau. Number 5 is coastal plains. And number 6 is island group of India. So these are the physical features. So in this chapter we are going to discuss, okay, one by one about these physical features, how they are formed. Okay. So first subtopic is the physical features of India. Okay. So as you move to north, east, south, west, so you will notice one thing, there are variety of physical features. So can you think how they are formed? Okay, so that I am going to tell you how they were formed. Clear? So first of all, here I have written crustal deformation. Okay, so crustal deformation is a new word for you. Its meaning is internal forces. So my dear students, all the physical features of India, okay, are formed due to crustal deformation. Crustal deformation means they are formed due to the internal forces. So there are two type of forces. This you have read in previous class. Okay, internal forces and external forces. Internal forces means such as earthquake, landslide, volcanic eruption. Okay, and external forces are the creation of new things in the form of landforms on the earth, such as the wind action, okay, then sea action, okay, sea waves, wind waves, okay, and erosion, okay, deposition, okay, many more, okay, clear. So one thing is clear to you. Physical features of India are formed due to the crustal deformation. Means they are formed due to the internal forces. Okay. Next thing is, this is clear to you. Okay. Next is, they are formed due to crustal deformation, and crust compresses, pull apart or slide. Pull apart or crust. When the crust means the uppermost layer of the earth, okay, clear. When the crust comprises, pull apart or slide past each other, resulted the formation of physical feature. So they are formed. तो जब crust जो है, ठीक है, when it compresses, pull apart, okay, and slide past means when we rub our hand like this, slide past, okay, clear. And comprises pull, okay, apart, अलग हो जाना एक दूसरे से, इस तरह और इस तरह, ठीक है, clear. Then resulting the formation of physical features. तो जो भी आपने physical features इस चैप्टर में पढ़े, ठीक है, और पढ़ रहे हो, तो they are formed due to this, okay. So next very important thing is color of the soil. Soil you know very well. Soil is a loose material formed due to the breaking of rocks, okay. So rocks means the mixture of minerals, clear. तो हमारी पृथ्वी के ऊपर, धरती के ऊपर जो भी सॉइल है, we have variety of soil. We have variety of soil, I mean to say we have different color soil found on the earth, okay. So it is due to the different kinds of rocks present on the earth. So when the weathering take place, okay, clear, in the form of physical, in the form of chemical, okay, weathering, in the form of biological weathering, okay, this you have read in previous class, okay. So there are certain changes in the soil, okay, clear. So that is why we having a different type of or different colored soil found in India. Different types of soil found in India, okay, such as alluvial soil, okay, black soil, okay, desert soil, okay, laterite soil, okay, clear, many more. So this one is clear to you. Next very important thing is earth scientist. जो अर्थ के जो साइंटिस्ट हैं, क्लियर, अर्थ साइंटिस्ट claimed that earth has been formed out of 7 major and minor plates. Let me show you, okay. So this is your NCERT book. So here I have circled, this is visible to you, okay. Here I have circled, okay, some major plates, tectonic plates. Number 1, remember this, Eurasian plates. Number 2 is Northern American plate. Number 3 is Pacific plate. Number 4 is South American plate. Number 5 is African plate. Number 6 is Eurasian plate. And last one is Indo-Australian plates. So these are the major tectonic plates. So tectonic plates. So this is clear to you. Okay. So here I would like to tell you more about tectonic word, okay, tectonic plates, okay, in detail, clear. So keep watching on this whiteboard for better understanding, okay. So here I would like to write tectonic plates, okay. Write down this definition. They are crustal plates formed when the semi molten rocks move upward and collide मतलब टकराना, ठीक है, and collide with crust and divide it into large fragments. फ्रेगमेंट्स क्या होता है, इसको आपने पढ़ा है जूनियर क्लास में. फ्रेगमेंट मीन्स पीसेस, सॉरी, फ्रेगमेंट्स ऑफ रॉक्स, crustal and divided it into large fragments, okay, known as tectonic plates. Okay, so this is a definition of tectonic plates. Okay, so there are, okay, so there are three stages. There are three stages in tectonic plates. Okay, number one is one by one I am going to tell you. Okay, number one is divergent boundaries. Okay, so here I am going to draw a diagram. Okay, so divergent boundaries. Okay, here I am marking two arrows. So when the tectonic plates, okay, you know, when there is a repulsion between the tectonic plates, so when one side of the tectonic plate move other direction and other one is in other direction, okay, so in this stage, so there is this particular stage is called divergent boundary. So when simply you can, I mean to say, divergent boundary means when the tectonic plates move away from each other. Okay, clear? Next is convergent boundaries. Okay, convergent boundary means when the tectonic plates collide with each other. When the tectonic plates are collide with each other, टकराती हैं. ठीक है, clear? Next one is transformed. Okay, so transformed boundaries, okay, is the third stage of tectonic plates. Okay, clear? When the tectonic plates, okay, slide past each other. When the tectonic plates slide past each other means up and down. As we rub our hand in the winter season, okay, to keep our body warm. Clear? So similarly, when the tectonic plates slide past each other, move up and down. So this particular stage of the tectonic plate is known as transformed boundary. Okay. So here I would like to pause this first part of this second chapter of geography, that is the physical features of India. Okay, hope you understood it well. Clear? So tomorrow I will upload new second part with you, okay, for better understanding. Thank you very much.